Welcome to Health Haven. Gaining weight doesn't have to be a struggle. Today, I'll show you how to make a quick and powerful weight gain shake with just 4 ingredients that will help you pack on healthy pounds. To make this, you'll need 1 banana for energy, a cup of whole milk for extra calorie, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter for healthy fats, and a scoop of protein powder for muscle growth. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to maximize your calorie intake without compromising taste. Start with the banana for natural sweetness and potassium. Add the protein powder, your muscle-building powerhouse. Next, the creamy peanut butter, for those healthy fats that help you stay full. Finally, pour in the whole milk, rich in calories and nutrients. Now, blend it all together until you've got a smooth, satisfying shake. Ready to take your weight gain to the next level? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy, high-calorie recipes. And tell me what's your favorite high-calorie food. Drop it in the comments below.